Sending money abroad is easy with TD Global Transfer. Here's how in 1 minute. Open your TD app or online banking and sign in with secure credentials. From the main menu, select Transfers, then choose Global Transfer. Add a recipient by entering their name, bank details, and country. Type the amount and choose the currency. Real-time exchange rates display instantly. You will see transfer fees and limits clearly listed before you proceed. Review the payment summary including recipient info, exchange rate, fees, and delivery time. If everything looks correct, authorize the transfer with two-step verification or biometrics. You will receive an immediate confirmation screen and an email receipt with tracking reference. Track transfer status in the app and get notifications at key milestones. For limits, larger transfers, or questions, contact TD support or visit a branch. Try TD Global Transfer today. Fast, secure international payments. Start your transfer now.